Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to everyone. Today is a very special and proud day for all of us. We are celebrating Republic Day of India on the 26th of January. This day marks the adoption of the Indian Constitution in 1950, which transformed India into a sovereign, democratic republic. The Constitution is not just a legal document, it is the soul of our nation. It upholds the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. As students, we carry a special responsibility to instill these values in our lives, not only through lessons but through our actions and behavior. On this occasion, we remember the vision of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and the sacrifices of countless freedom fighters who laid the foundation of modern India. Their dream was not only political freedom, but also social equality and moral responsibility. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of the Constitution, once said, "The Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document, it is a vehicle of life." This means the Constitution guides how we should live as good citizens. Republic Day teaches us the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. These values help us respect one another and live in unity. Nelson Mandela also said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Let us use education to build a better future for our country. Republic Day reminds us that education plays a vital role in strengthening democracy. Teachers are nation builders and students are future of our nation. Education shapes responsible citizens who think critically, respect diversity, and contribute positively to society. Mahatma Gandhi beautifully said, "The future depends on what we do in the present." Let us reflect on this and renew our commitment to guide ourselves with honesty, compassion, and dedication. As students, we have an important role in building our nation. We should study sincerely, follow discipline, respect our teachers and parents, and always speak the truth. A good student becomes a good citizen. On this Republic Day, let us pledge to uphold constitutional values and work together to build a strong, inclusive, and progressive India. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.